If your US client stops outsourcing tomorrow, does your company still exist? The big question. Now see, tools can be replaced. Coding tasks can be automated. The brutal truth about old model. Now let us break this down. Now coding is becoming faster, but thinking is becoming more valuable today. Developers are becoming automated, but problem solvers. Now, as you have seen on the thumbnail and title, I have a question for all of you. Are you building a software company or just supplying cheap manpower? When AI codes faster than your team, what exactly are you selling there? If your US client stops outsourcing tomorrow, does your company still exist? The big question. Now see, we have the largest talent pool of engineers today. But the question is, do we provide business direction or we are just coders? When leaders like Sridhar Vembu or leaders from Anthropic CEOs say that many coding jobs will change or disappear, they are not attacking engineers or the IT industry. They are attacking outdated positioning of your companies, the legacy positioning. Now see, tools can be replaced. Coding tasks can be automated. The boilerplate work can be generated by AI easily, and we all know that. But the business problems, the business functions, the revenue leakages, the operational inefficiencies, those will never disappear. And the solutions to those problems will always be needed. But the question is, are you selling just a code or are you selling business transformation? Now, the real problem in IT companies, India has the highest engineering talent, to be very honest. But where exactly are we failing today as an IT industry? We are still selling Java developers, .NET developers, React developers, maintenance teams, low cost QA testers, hourly billing models. We are selling manpower while the world is buying outcomes. And that is the mindset gap. Now, AI is not a threat. You need to understand this very clearly. Your positioning is your market position. Technology has always replaced low value work, and this is not new. Now think, long back when IDEs replaced the manual coding, when cloud replaced the on-premise infrastructure, when low-cost tools accelerated the development, did software industry die? Did people stop buying softwares? No, efficiency increased. Today, AI is doing the same thing. It is eliminating repetitive coding tasks, but it is increasing the need for market repositioning, system thinking, solution architecture, business mapping, automation design, strategic implementation. The future engineer is just not a coder. The future engineer is a business problem solver. If you are still surviving on manpower cost arbitrage as a company, trust me, AI is coming for that first. Not for strategy, not for architecture, not for business thinking. AI is coming for repetitive low cost development. And that is exactly what most outsourcing firms are built on today. The brutal truth about old model. Now let us break this down. Now, honestly, customer X has a problem. Vendor A talks to customer X. Vendor A identifies a business problem. Now vendor A designs the solution for them. Vendor A defines the entire architecture. Vendor A closes the deal. Then vendor A outsource and recruits a vendor C, and vendor C is you. India, Bangladesh, Philippines, Nepal. Low cost engineering talent. You are not solving the problem. You are executing instructions. And that is the hierarchy today. The IT industry is trembling right now. Now ask yourself something uncomfortable. If AI can execute instructions really faster, why does vendor A need vendor C? That is the crack in the system today. So why IT stocks are struggling today? IT stocks are trembling today in the market. Investors understand unit economics really well. The outsourcing model was built on billable hours, resource allocation, margin from cost difference, scale by adding manpower. Now simply the AI can reduce development time, testing time, documentation time, maintenance effort. If billing hours reduce, revenue reduces. Unit economy is breaking here. This is why smart investors are cautious right now, because the old model depends on effort and the new model rewards intelligence. If you do not reposition right now in the market, when leaders like Sridhar Vembu or the leaders from Anthropic are hinting at something that is real, not because coding is going to disappear, but because low value coding will disappear soon, and there is a difference. And what you must learn immediately. If you're an IT founder and you don't upgrade marketing and sales capability, you are exposed. Here are the skill set you must learn aggressively today. Stop saying we can build anything. Say we solve this specific operational bottleneck. Now, this is how future-ready messaging should look like. We noticed mid-sized manufacturing firms struggle with inventory visibility across multi-plant environments. We built an AI-based tracking dashboard that reduces dead stock by 18%. Would this be relevant to explore? Now, see the difference in positioning. One is selling labor, the other is highlighting pain and outcome. Now, your internal learning and development must change, IT founders. So, learning and development should not be only limited to learning new frameworks, learning new coding languages, or learning new AI tools. It's going to be a structural change in your company right now. You must include business analysis, market research, digital marketing. You should nominate somebody from your team to go out and learn content strategy and funnel building, demand generation, ROI calculation, industry research, communication and persuasion. Your technical team must understand business outcomes today. Otherwise, they remain task executors, just a job provider. Full stop. The mindset shift in IT founders must make. If you are still saying we provide affordable developers, you are in a cost war today. And the cost war is going to destroy your margins. Instead, you can say we design automation systems that reduce manufacturing downtime by 18%. Now you are in value pricing model. Huge difference. Trust me, it's a huge difference. Now, step one, what exactly you should do? Pick an industry, go deep. Example, mid-size manufacturing companies in United States. Not any client, not any tech project. Be specific. Now ask, who are the stakeholders involved, concerned about manufacturing growth? The CEO, plant head, operation manager, CFO, supply chain director. Now ask ChatGPT. List all daily operational, strategic and personal stress problems of a mid-sized US manufacturing operation head. Now ChatGPT will throw you results like production delay, inventory mismanagement, machine downtime, poor accountability, high labor costs, ERP inefficiencies. Now you are thinking like a business analyst, not like a coder. Now step number 2, build conceptual solutions, build workflows and make a list of all your technical skills like data engineering, AI, ML, Java, .NET, cloud, DevOps. And now ask, what automation or software solutions can I build using these skills to solve these operational problems and improve revenue, cost and efficiency? Now what exactly are you doing? You are mapping problem to the solution and solution to the business outcome. Just like an example, let's say the problem is machine downtime visibility. The solution can be real-time IoT dashboard. The outcome is going to be 12% productivity improvement. Let's say the problem is manual inventory tracking. Solution can be AI-based inventory prediction tool. Outcome, 20% reduction in holding cost. Now that is value addition. Step number 3, this becomes your go-to-market strategy. Now your positioning changes forever. We provide software development services too. We build AI-driven operational efficiency systems for mid-size US manufacturers. Now see the difference. You are going to be more receptive in the market. That is future-proofing. The legacy IT email, remember your legacy IT email, the subject line would be offshore development team available, the subject line. And the body would be, we are a team of experienced Java, .NET, React, QA engineers offering cost-effective development and maintenance services. We provide hourly billing models, flexible engagement options. Let us know if you need any resource. Regards, can we have a 20 minutes call? Bro, this is commodity pitch. Future-ready email must be outcome-based. Subject line can be reducing production downtime of mid-sized manufacturers. We are currently helping manufacturing operations teams improve plant visibility and reduce downtime through AI-powered operational dashboards and workflow automation. If improving operational efficiency and inventory cost is a 2026 priority, we can share a 20-minute concept blueprint tailored to your plant environment. Would this be relevant? Of course, yes. Now you are selling a transformation, a digital transformation that is reducing cost and improving efficiency. Step 4, build conceptual sales asset. If you want to survive, you need pitch decks, webinars. Why to hesitate to build shorts and reels? Today, shorts and reels are just not limited to B2C. Create industry-specific landing pages. Start problem to solution mapping visuals. Sample dashboard UI mockups of your future applications. Mini proof of concepts. Learn ROI estimations. Use this to sell problem first, then let them frame it in their mind. Even if it is in a demo level or if it is a first, let's say, cutscene meeting. Now you need to understand all this is going to prove your capability. Now step 5, become a vertical expert. Do not become a generic software development company. Pick manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, fintech, e-commerce, real estate, travel, tourism, go deep. Understand their KPIs, understand their profit model, understand their cost structure, understand their stress points of their stakeholders. Then build a repeatable solution framework in form of content. This is how US top IT firms are making serious money. They do not sell engineers, they sell industry solutions. Now, the brutal truth for IT founders: if your business depends on any of this, let's say, for example, a friend in the US sending you projects, cheap billing rates, body shopping models, maintenance outsourcing, resource replacement strategy, then AI is not your problem. Your fragility is AI will compress your billing hours, AI will increase coding speed, AI will reduce headcount requirements. And if your revenue depends on hours, your revenue is going to shift. If your revenue depends on outcomes, your pricing will increase. The perceived value of your services will increase. The future structure of IT company leadership must be inclined towards business understanding and marketing, not just being a chief technical officer. So do not panic or do not fear AI. Use AI. Use ChatGPT to discover industry problems, stakeholder mapping, solution ideation, messaging refinement. AI is not replacing you. Now make a list of all the 100 problems your target industry has and build conceptual solutions in form of content and distribute it wherever your ideal client profiles are spending time. Your ideal client profile will get attracted. You are going to grab their attention. They are going to come to you. You need not need to chase them now. Prospects will voluntarily come in and opt in for your concepts, but only and only when you transform yourself from a cheap manpower providing company to a strategic solution development organization. Now, coding is becoming faster, but thinking is becoming more valuable today. Developers are becoming automated, but problem solvers are becoming premium. Now, the future belongs to vertical solution architects, expert in proposing industry level problem solutions. Decide which one you want to be. Our lifetime mentorship program is open to onboard serious IT founders who wants to learn the art of market research, learn the art of learning how to crack and identify market and industry problems, how to build your very first offer. Our lifetime mentorship program will help you to build funnel and build a content strategy that can absolutely grab people attention in the beginning of the decision making process to the point they become your client. The entire content strategy, how exactly you can do high ticket sales, what should be the discovery call strategy. If you really want to transition your business in 2026, you have to start thinking business and marketing first, then coding. Welcome to AdMe. The next cohort is about to begin soon. You can use the number below to message about your business. We can have a one-to-one blueprint call about your business and we'll share details about the upcoming cohort. Or else you can click on the link in the description and book a business consulting call with our team to know more about the upcoming cohort of our lifetime mentorship program designed for struggling service providers like you. Thank you so much. This is Alok Badatia signing out for now. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot. Hey, the good news is AdMe has launched its flagship programs. The first one is 3.5 months of lifetime mentorship program, AI-enabled digital marketing and business leadership. If you are a beginner, if you want to learn everything from scratch to the advanced level, want to pursue your digital marketing career as a professional, or if you are just a newbie freelancer, want to take your very first step in the world of freelancing and agency owners with a 2 months of paid internship, 3.5 months of lifetime mentorship program is for you. But let's say, for example, you are a busy professional, veteran digital marketer, you have all the intermediate advertising skill, you just want to stabilize your agency business, IT services business, or you want to convert your newbie freelance business into a pro freelance business. If you are an experienced professional, 8 weeks fast track program is for you. Trust me, these programs comes with a plethora of game-changing features, one-to-one lifetime consulting unless and until you are not achieving your result, one-to-one direct guidance from me, live class program that creates an amazing immersive and interactive experience, auto upgradable LMS. That means even if the program is over, you get all the upgraded materials for a lifetime basis. We have created thousands of hundreds of success stories. 2 months of paid internship program, you get a chance to work with our live client projects with real-time advertisement budgets, 7+ international certifications, work experience letter, recommendation letter, and whatnot. We have created thousands of success stories under the sun. If you want to check and evaluate what exactly is the program best fits for you, click on the link below and book a free career evaluation call with our
client success manager. Our client success manager will get in touch with you over a call. We'll have an intensive discussion with you and will guide you with the right program, will prescribe you the right direction in your career and your business. So what are you still waiting for? Click on the link below, get in touch with our client success manager. Let's discuss your career hurdles. Let's discuss your career goals. Let's discuss your career state right now. And let me take your career, your business to the whole new level. Thank you so much. The link is given below. Let's book a call and let's hop on a call right away. Thank you so much.